Tingari, that is hello in the language of the first people whose lands I'm speaking to you from, the Ugamba language in the Gold Coast. My name is Fahid Hashim. We are bringing the 2027 Leadership Workshop to Mianjin, today's Brisbane, with a focus on how to think like a healthcare leader. If you're an early to mid-career AMD fellow, this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. Effective clinical leadership is essential not only for driving better patient outcomes and healthier communities, but to flourish as a specialist physician in an ever-changing and challenging environment. Join us on the 27th and 28th of February for a dynamic program covering resilience, overcoming bias, and change management. There will be practical sessions on media training, hospital finance, and managing difficult conversations. Hear from our own leaders in clinical research with global impact in health policy and government. You will also have the opportunity to network with senior and mid-career physician colleagues on the Saturday evening. Click the registration link to secure your spot today. See you in Brisbane.